Hey everyone, welcome to Making Money You. In this video, we're going to talk about what is email marketing. People have been asking this question a lot. What exactly is email marketing? So in this video, you're going to learn what is email marketing, the benefit of email marketing, and you're going to learn how email marketing works. So this is the video for today. Okay, so I create this presentation for you. Now just listen, and if you got any question, please leave down below this video. I'll answer all your questions. Thank you. Before we dive into today's video, welcome back, beautiful people, in my channel, Make Money You. And if you are into education, Make Money Online, and business tips, you are in the right place. Subscribe to my channel, Make Money You, where I, Mivumbi, share the latest insight of affiliation marketing and more. So let's grow together. Hit that subscribe button now, and I do appreciate your love and support. Thank you. Let's go back to our video.
What is email marketing? Email marketing is a powerful digital marketing strategy that involves sending targeted messages and promotional content to a group of individuals via email. It is a direct and personalized form of communication between businesses or individuals and their audience, aiming to build relationships, drive engagement, and promote products or services. Here are a few key points to get you started. 1. Building your email list. Start by collecting email addresses from your audience. Offer incentives like freebies, exclusive content, or discounts to encourage sign-ups. 2. Choosing an email marketing platform. There are several platforms like GetResponse, MailChimp, etc., Constant Contact, and others. Choose one that suits your needs, provides analytics, and ensures deliverability. I personally use GetResponse to connect with my audience through effective email marketing. GetResponse has been a game changer for me, and I'm thrilled to offer you an exclusive 30 days free trial. Using the link below. Why GetResponse? User-friendly interface. GetResponse's intuitive platform makes creating and sending emails a breeze, even for beginners. So you may ask how to get your 30 days free trial. Click the link below this video. Sign up for GetResponse using the provided link. Enjoy 30 days of full access to the incredible features GetResponse has to offer. 3. Crafting compelling content. Your emails should provide value. Share informative content, promotions, updates, and engage with your subscribers to keep them interested. 4. Segmentation. Divide your email list based on interests, demographics, or behaviors. This allows you to send more targeted and relevant content. 5. Automation. Set up automated email campaigns for welcome emails, product recommendations, or follow-ups. Automation saves time and ensures timely communication. 6. Analytics. Pay attention to email analytics to understand what works. Track open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to refine your strategy.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you got any question about email marketing or any other question regarding business affiliation marketing, please leave them down below this video. I'm very happy to help. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Until next time, take care. Bye.